78 divided by 3. First, draw your two boxes for your two-digit number. Then, set up your place values with your tens place, your ones place, and your 3 on the side. Then we're going to put our 78 and do our 3 times tables down the side. Remember, we're trying to figure out 3 times something gives us 78. So I know I'm going to start in my tens place. So I underlined my 7 because it's in the tens place. What's the closest we can get to 7 without going over? That's 6. We skip counted 2 times to get there, but that 2's in the tens place, so really it's worth 20. 2 times 3 is 6, plus a 0 gives you 60. When you subtract those, that should give you 18. I'm going to bring my remainder of 18 up into the next box. I know I'm in the ones place, but I have remainder left over for my tens place, so I'm going to use those too. What's the closest we can get to 18 without going over? Yeah, it is 18. We skip counted 6 times to get there. 6 times 3 equals 18. When we subtract those, that gives us 0. Now when we have 0 left over, do we need to bring it up? No, we can be lazy. We don't have to bring it up. It wouldn't be wrong, but we don't have to bring it up. So that means our answer would just be from right here, 26.